Hello students, this is Dr. Ravi Sani. Our today's discussion is about locomotion and movement. Now come to the movement. So movement is one of the significant features of living beings. If we'll talk about the various characteristic features of living beings, especially like reproduction, growth, multiplication of cells, digestion of food, excretion. So there are so many specific features which are shown by the living beings. So among these features, movement is also one of the significant features of living beings. Now come to the animals and plants. So not only animals but plants as well exhibit a wide range of movements. In case of plants, we have seen like a growth of branches specifically shown in a specific direction towards the sun. So this is also movement shown by the plants. In animals, there is a wide range of movements which are easily observed in environment. Streaming of protoplasm in the unicellular organisms like amoeba is the simplest form of movement. As we have talked about the various wide range of movements, among these movements, streaming of protoplasm is also considered a movement in unicellular organisms like amoeba. This is the simplest form of movement shown by a cell. Various other structures like cilia, flagella, tentacles. So movement of these structures are also shown by many organisms. Now come to the human beings. Human beings can move limbs, jaws, eyelids, tongue, and movement of various other structures like raising hand, walking, and walking. So all these movements are shown by human beings. Now come to the locomotion. Some of the movements we studied in previous slide, like there's a wide range of movements. So among these movements, some could also change place or location. So these movements which are responsible for change in place or location are categorized as locomotion. In movements, it was not necessary that a person or organism is changing its position from one place to another, but in case of locomotion, definitely there is a change of place or locomotion. So this is the very basic difference among between the movements and locomotion. Movements are responsible for locomotion. Walking, running, climbing, flying, and swimming are all some form of locomotory movements. Walking, running, climbing, flying, and swimming. These all are movements which are responsible for change of place or location and are considered as locomotory movements. Locomotive structures need not be different from those affecting other types of movements. The same structures which are responsible for movements would also result in locomotion. So there is no specific or distinct structure for locomotion. In short, we can say movement are responsible for locomotion. Now, what is locomotion? If we will summarize in simple terms, so locomotion is the voluntary movements which results in change of location. So in a summarized way, we can say that all locomotions are movements, but all movements are not locomotion because Some specific movements are responsible for locomotion. Both locomotion and movements are interlinked. Both are dependent on each other. In paramecium, cilia help in movement of food through cytopharynx and locomotion as well. In case of hydra, tentacles are used to capture prey and for locomotion. In case of human beings, there are limbs which is responsible for change in body postures and also helps in locomotion. Paramecium, the tentacles of hydra, and in case of human beings, change of body posture and from walking, running, or from one place to another are also shown. Human uses limbs for change in body posture and locomotion as well. These observations suggest that movement and locomotion cannot be studied separately. So both are responsible for each other. That's why they cannot be studied separately. Various methods of locomotion which are performed by animals vary with their habitats or demand of the situation. Habitat play an important role in various types of movements which are shown by the animals. Mainly locomotion is shown for search of food, shelter, finding mating partner, finding various suitable breeding grounds for offsprings, favorable climatic conditions, and in the last, for protection, basically to escape from enemies or predators. So these are the various factors which are responsible for various types of locomotion and movements.